These two products, they're also in my hair product, but I get them from scratch. So I have someone who distributes to me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and massage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? It's your girl Neisha. Of course, I have a product that is very hair friendly, hair booster growth. Yes, your hair will grow like crazy. And guys, guess what it is? Tan-ta-da-da! Yes guys, pimento seed. Huh? Yeah, pimento seed. Guys, this to crush it in. So guys, I crushed the pimento seed. Now I'm gonna just take my, so you can take around a quark. So that's a quark of castor oil to it. Right, and then I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix it up. And guys, this is also a preservative. So guys, I'm going to go back and I'm going to add a half quark. Okay, so that's 1.5 quark. One and a half quark. Guys, look how black this castor oil is. Look at it. Look, it catch the towel. Look at that. You see that? Yeah. If it's not that dark, that's what we're looking for, right? So I'm mixing well. This is for the hairline. So if you wanted a bigger dosage, what's that? Nah. If you wanted more mixture, you can always go ahead and double the recipe, double the ingredients. Guys, I'm hungry. Guess what? It's Sunday. What do you expect? I'm cooking dinner and I'm here, so I'm hungry. Now I have me here some coconut oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop in half. And then I'm gonna pour in 1. So I put it in half, then now I'm gonna pour in 1. Right? Guys, you need to smell this. It is so good. Out of rosemary. If I had a rosemary, I would have put a little drop of rosemary in it, but as I said to you before, it can work same way. The peppermint, oh my god, is good, but this guy, I think they are like relative, you know, not even relative, but they are spouse, can put it that way. So now I'm going to let it sit. Look at that, look at that mixture. Can you see, guys? Yeah, I would say to drain it. If you're going to store it in a bottle, store it with the drugs, that's the seed that is in the bottom, and when you're going to use it, you mix it up. Go ahead. So remember, you know, the pimento seed is a preservative, so this can't go bad. All right, time to apply. So guys, I would say you can leave this, let it sit for, so I let this sit for just for time consuming. I pause the video and start back, you know, just so that you come and look at it now. Look how thick it's getting. Look at that, look how it's moving in the glass. Yeah, that's because the oil, that's how it's thick. And by leaving it and going to use it like every now and then, you're going to notice it's getting thicker and thicker. See? Wow. Guys, I can attest to this. Trust me, you will get hair growth like crazy. And JBCO stands for Jamaica Castor Oil. Let's go back into the video. I'm now going to use the mixture that I made. So I'm now going to like, oh god, I forgot about the hairpins. So I'm now going to use the mixture. Same ring finger. Around, dip it around, and it's okay if you use it on top of the castor. Remember, it's castor oil in it anyway, right? Just for time, why I'm going through so fast, so you can literally go through, like sit down. I don't normally part the hair. I just use my finger and like go like this, you know, or you can sit down. And I normally do this if like I'm watching a movie or something, yeah, but this, OMG, you're gonna come. So they are letting in on one of my hair growth secret. This is one of the things I use in my hair, and these two products, they're also in my hair product, but I get them from scratch. So I have someone who distributes to me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and massage. I don't know, but you can put it. Oh god, this piece of luck, you see? So I'm gonna put one under here. Good. And I normally put one right up in here. Yeah, and the other. You kind of like pushing it in the cloth, but you don't want to push too hard. So in another video I can show you how to anchor your pins, and this normally works for me. If it doesn't work for you, please leave a comment down below, and thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for staying tuned and watch this entire video. See you soon. Bye.